and unit's ready to record.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through our two most popular covert AC adapters, the DVR250 and DVR255. I'm going to show you the differences and advantages and disadvantages between them. First is our DVR250, which is our lowest cost base model. You'll notice when you unpack there's a sort of a lack of accessories in the box, and that's because there are certain things that this unit does not feature, such as a video output and remote control. This actually makes operation and installation very simple because there are no options to configure. The battery door or the SD card door opens up off the back. The unit comes with an micro SD card and SD card adapter. You slide into the slot here, and then this is a fake SD or a fake power cord to complete the illusion. That plugs into the bottom, and then the door goes back on. And plug into your power outlet, and the unit is on, recording and motion detection. The camera is behind this hole right here, and then this is a non-functioning power cord. And you're up and operational. That's it. There's nothing to configure. There's no motion settings. The unit will default to VGA resolution on motion with a couple of minute file block. This is good for residential applications and instances where you don't need to set a date and time, or if you don't need to configure any settings. I'm recording right now. This is operational in just a minute or two. The upgrade model, the DVR255, you'll notice has a lot more accessories to it when you start to unpack it. You've got a remote control, that same fake power cord, SD card, but now you have a video output cable. So if you wish to make adjustments such as setting the date and time, or lengthening or shortening the record time of the video, you must use the DVR255, as the DVR250 does not have that functionality. Basic setup's the same. You've got a micro SD card and SD card adapter. You have the fake AC power cord. You also have a USB cable if you want to pull the video directly off the SD card, as opposed to using an external SD card reader. And you also have this video output cable. This is your remote sensor for your remote control. Place the back, plug in. So through the video output, you can see the camera's field of view and the motion sensitivity. As you can see here, the unit is recording. But now I can stop this unit and get into the menu to adjust record settings, such as time and date, record length, and resolution settings. This is not possible on the DVR250.